Hey YouTubers, got another package. My tripod is packed right now, so I'm going on a little trip for a few days, but I'm filming with my new 4K Sony Handycam, so we'll see if I can get some cool footage up in the mountains. But yeah, I got this little package of some hardware. I don't think I've done a hardware package yet, but this is a little last minute package before I left, so I'll try and do it by hand here. See if we can. Mainly a bunch of coils, some mods, a couple mods and stuff, whatever I could find at the last second. So got a bunch of smoke coils. Blue Alien. Alright, sorry about that. We got another alien. More coils. What do we have here? Oh, these are cool. What we got? Coil Master build mat. That's cool. It's like a giant mouse pad.
What will Hunter do? Will he be here? Will he not be here?
Well, yeah.
More smoke coils.
December 94, after the husband, I got an invitation. Would you like me to
Some good batteries. MXJO.
So I took the really quick out and I think my way to as far back in the places I can be visible. Around the
AL85 kits. More T8s. Some more batteries. Rainbow Alien. I have here Coil Master. This should be the tab. Another alien. Alright, more customs coming. So then the last thing in here is a Coil Master 3.0. I'm gonna have to do its own little unboxing just on this. Yeah, we'll do that. But yeah, I'll put that aside. So pretty much to sum it up, a bunch of smart coils, a couple AL85s, about 6 aliens, a tab, some other Coil Master batteries, a bunch of coils.
And the Darwin Award goes to
Derek. And we have.
I'm on camera, yay!
You're in 4K.
I'm in 4K.
Yeah.
So being in the 4F club. Maybe.